Oh, mmm, mmm, mmm. This tastes like fall. This is fall in a glass. Oh my God.
Are you going to be in back-to-back meetings all day and you need to keep your nerves, your energy, and your flow on point? Well, I got something real good for us. Today we're making 2 sweet potato spice lattes, iced for cool clarity and warm for cozy focus. And here's the thing, good folks, that third cup of coffee, when you spike, then get the jitters, and then crash, we are not putting our body through all that unnecessary drama, period. I'm telling you right now, these lattes will keep your mind smooth like Sade and your hands sharp like Muhammad Ali so you float through your day and not crash into it. So let's get into the ingredients. Cloves. They are a rich, sweet, leaning spice that keeps it grown in balance. They help to protect your cells from everyday stress, calm minor inflammation, and they keep your breath smelling fresh. Cardamom steps in with a bright, wake your mind up aroma that can settle your stomach, take the edge off stress, and add extra protection for your cells. Ginger is that loyal friend you need to keep in your life always because they come with the truth. When the stomach behaves, the brain performs. Ginger can ease nausea, support comfortable digestion, and even relieve some of that post-workout soreness. Sea salt makes the sweet act right and pulls the flavors forward, while also restoring key hydration minerals so your energy, nerves, and muscles don't have to get ready because they stay ready. Cinnamon brings that gentle heat to calm your nerves and lift your spirit while helping keep your blood sugar steady and supporting a healthy heart. Maple syrup keeps the sweetness smooth with small boosts of minerals and cell protection, making it a good swap for refined sugar. A pinch of nutmeg adds a velvet sweet lift that makes the latte taste a little extra and may help you relax, keep digestion easy, and deliver more plant-powered cell support. Roasted sweet potato puree is your slow burn focused fuel with no spike and crash. It brings fiber for steady energy and gut health, vitamin A for eyes and skin, and potassium to keep you well hydrated. We need a little bit of water so everything blends and goes down smooth. Water helps with hydration, digestion, and overall circulation. Ice cubes. We need some for the iced latte to keep those flavors bright from the first to the last sip. My homemade almond milk is made with simple ingredients. It keeps everything silky and easy on the stomach while delivering vitamin E for skin and cell care. Don't sleep on those almonds. They offer good plant protein and magnesium that can support calm focus. Vanilla extract says, "Yes, girl, I'm treating myself," with a soothing scent for mood and a dessert-like feel without piling on the sugar. We make this latte in 4 simple moves. First, roast the sweet potato. Second, brew the spiced tea. Third, blend the sweet potato concentrate. And then lastly, assemble it hot or iced. Also, hang with me until the end. I'm pulling out the receipts so you can see what it costs to make these delicious, healthy drinks that keep you focused, energized, and feeling real good. First, clean and dry the sweet potato, and then roast until the flesh is sweet and tender. Let it cool down before you peel and scoop the puree. Next, make the spiced tea. Lightly crack the cardamom pods, crush the cloves, and pour freshly boiled water over them. Cover and steep for about 8 to 10 minutes, then strain and discard the solids. Then blend the sweet potato concentrate. Into the blender, roasted sweet potato puree, fresh ginger, maple syrup, ground cinnamon, a whisper of nutmeg, a pinch of salt, and vanilla extract. Blend until smooth. Now let's assemble the hot latte. Combine the almond milk and the strained spiced tea first. Then warm gently on low heat. Please don't boil this. Stir in the sweet potato concentrate as much as you like and let it mingle for a minute or so. Add additional maple syrup or another sweetener to your taste. Now we're ready to put together the iced latte. Add cold almond milk to a tall glass. Stir in the spiced tea and the sweet potato concentrate. Sweeten to taste with maple syrup. Add some ice cubes and give it a good stir.
So I made a sweet potato spice latte. I was inspired by it being fall and just wanted to make some really awesome drinks, and decided instead of using pumpkin to use sweet potatoes because we eat sweet potatoes in this house. And so I made one iced sweet potato spice latte, and this one is heated sweet potato spice latte, and both all made with just simple ingredients: sweet potato, ginger, clove, a little bit of maple syrup, cinnamon, nutmeg, just all the warm spices that you think about for fall. And we are going to try them. I think I'm going to try the iced one first because this glass is hot. So I'm gonna put this down and try the iced one first. Okay, here we go. Oh, this tastes like fall. This is fall in a glass. Oh my God. The cinnamon, the cardamom, the clove, the nutmeg. I taste all those spices. They're not overwhelming, but they're just, you know they're there. And the sweet potato just really makes it creamy and smooth and silky. So I love this for when I want a cool drink. But when I want a hot drink, a warm drink, I'm gonna go for my warm sweet potato natty latte. And I call it a natty latte because there's no coffee or no espresso. You can add them if you want, but I'm not a big coffee drinker, so I just am coffee free and espresso free in these drinks. But this is my warm version, and so we're gonna try this. Wow, wow, This is what I'm gonna be drinking all fall. All fall, this is gonna be on my desk as I am working and, you know, doing what I need to do. So one thing that I would say, one thing I would change if you're making this dish, which I highly recommend you do, is I would probably strain it. I didn't strain this. If you want something more smooth and silky, I can taste or feel the fibers from the sweet potato because, you know, I didn't blend it completely. But if you want something, like I said, smooth, just pull out your strainer and just pour this through and it'll catch those little bits of fiber. But this is awesome as it is. I hope you try it. I love it. And cheers. Here's to fall.
All right, good folks, it's receipts time. Let me show you what the sweet potato spice latte cost using the prices I paid. First, let's look at the price per unit, what each ingredient costs and the size the store sells. For the bulk spices, I didn't buy a full pound. I'm just showing you the price per pound so we're all working from the same baseline. Sweet potato, $2.99 a pound. Homemade almond milk, $4.99 per half gallon. Cinnamon, $39.99 a pound. Nutmeg, $63.99 a pound. Cloves, $60.64 a pound. Cardamom, $87.84 a pound. Fresh ginger, $6.99 a pound. Vanilla extract, $8.49 for 2 fluid ounces. Maple syrup, $8.99 for 12 fluid ounces. And then sea salt, which came in at $1.99 a pound. So that's our baseline. So now let's shrink those numbers down to the actual amounts I used to make one latte. Here's the cost per recipe. Sweet potato, 60 cents. My homemade almond milk, 62 cents. Cinnamon, 21 cents. Nutmeg, 4 cents. Cloves, 4 cents. Cardamom, 11 cents. Fresh ginger, about 4 cents. Vanilla extract, about a penny. Maple syrup, 5 cents. And a pinch of sea salt, it was 0.0001, like not even a penny. So when you add all these numbers up, one serving is about $1.73. You cannot beat this price. Find me a latte this delicious with ingredients you can actually pronounce for under $2. I'll wait. Go ahead. Show me where you're getting real ingredients, real flavor, real good for you for $1.73. I rest my case. Now go make this latte. Okay, listen. For a limited time, you can download the full recipe with step-by-step instructions to make these lattes at home. Just click the link in the description box before it's gone. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you never run out of simple work wellness recipes.